Hi and welcome to a new episode of my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the Racerstar motor for T-Rex 450 or similar helicopters. It's the Br2835 motor, which has 4000 kV, and I'm just gonna go through the specs so you can see what you can expect from this motor. First of all, let's have a look what you get. It comes in a cheap carton box like every Racerstar motor comes with. There are no specs of the motor on the package. It's just written for what application the motor is made for. To be honest, I'm not gonna use it for my helicopter just because I have stronger motors inside my helicopter than this one here. So this is an experiment I'm gonna do with my Joysway Rocket race boat, so we'll see if this motor will work or not. What you get in the box is the motor and a pinion. It's a 13T pinion. In my opinion, it's a bit big with 13T for a 4000 kV motor, so I'm not sure if you really gonna use this pinion or you're gonna take some smaller like 12 or 11 teeth pinion. Then you get 3 gold bullet plugs for your motor. They're not soldered, so you can shorten the cable to the length you want to have it and then solder on your plugs. There is no shrink tube coming with, so you need some separate shrink tube to isolate your connectors. Then let's go through the specs of this motor. As already mentioned, it's a 4000 kV motor. It runs with 3 or 4S and it has around 360 watts. Then let's have a look at the measurements. The screw holes are all 3mm screw holes. There are 2 different diameters. One is 16mm and one is 19mm. So you have 2 different possibilities to mount the motor on your mount of the helicopter. Then let's check the diameter of the motor shaft. It should be around 3.17mm of diameter. That's around what you have here. Then the length of the shaft is around 16mm, between 15 and 16mm. Then the whole motor length is around 32mm. Then we have a diameter of the whole motor of around 29mm. And you have around 12 centimeters of motor cable, so plenty of cable. You can cut down to the length you need it. Then let's have a look at the weight. The motor should be at around 64 grams. And let's have a look. So yeah, this is pretty exactly what Racerstar is talking about, so that's okay. And what I like on the motor is that the bearings have absolutely no play at all. There were some quadcopter motors which had some play in the bearings, but this motor seems to be pretty well built and the bearings seem to be okay, so no play at all what you can feel in any direction. So it seems to be a motor which is okay for $15. So that's already all about the Br2835 from Racerstar, about the specs, and I'm pretty excited how this will perform in my Joysway Rocket race boat. Thanks for watching, have a good time, happy flying, bye bye.